Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. Even though we had a lot of great weather, it happens that the rains hit us as well sometimes. Today we are leaving our anchoring site to go to the main capital of this area, Lysekil. Lysekil is a great place to do all the necessary shopping. They have a nice water zoo and big playgrounds for the kids. But as we will talk more about later, one of our crew members is going to leave us there as well. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We are a family of 5 from Norway who absolutely love sailing around and embarking on new adventures. Here we have 12-year-old Selina, and this is 9-year-old Victoria. And the youngest one is Carolina, who is 3 years old. And we are Thomas and Katrin. On this channel we will share videos and provide more information about our daily lives and exciting life experiences of the Flintskos family. So after we got up the anchor, we were motoring half the way towards Lysekil through some beautiful surroundings and tight passages in the Swedish fjords. And then we got to sail the last halfway until we arrived at Lysekil. Da seiler vi jo forbi oss da. Her går det fortere enn oss. Ja, de har 2 seil ute. Eller. Masse båter. Går det bra? Litt skummelt. Skal jeg ta ut mer seil?
Nei.
Må dere vinke, for her kommer det en nordmann på den siden. Ja, få se. Wow! Ja. Har du lyst til å ikke skal filme? Forecast said that the wind will be quite strong in Lysekil, so we were only planning to stay for a couple of hours to do the shopping. But after some evaluation, our mother-in-law decided that she wanted to go home, and Lysekil was a good place to leave from because of the bus and train transport back to home. So since we had a good place in the harbor where we were good tied into the docks, we decided to stay for an extra night so that the departure would be easy for her. And the kids are really enjoying this place anyway. The wind is blowing around 20-25 knots, but as you can see the boats are well secured, and it's just to stay put until the wind is over. In our next episode we will show you that when the wind dies a little bit out, we will sail over to not too far away from Lysekil, but into a beautiful lagoon where we can stay for a couple of days, do some swimming and other activities, paddleboard, and it's protected from the winds from every direction. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.